All right. Hey, yo.
Hey, yo. First word of the day.
All right.
Only.
Uncle.
Uncle.
Yeah,
Uncle.
uncle.
Me and my uncle and my auntie.
Yo, uncle just mean
Uncle.
like my uncle want one burger.
My uncle want one burger. My uncle want one slice of pizza. Uncle.
Yeah.
Uncle, like you my uncle friend.
You got a friend in me.
The uncle one. Okay. Next one. Are you dumb?
Yeah, idiot.
Yeah. Yeah, idiot.
Yeah.
Yeah, idiot.
Yeah, idiot.
Yeah, idiot.
No, no E. Just yeah, idiot.
Yeah, idiot. I know a lot of those. Y'all feel me? Finna drink some bog juice.
Oh, Jesus.
What this not a bag? What this is?
Pouch juice.
Pouch juice.
Nobody says that.
I gotta juke my juice with this straw.
With this straw.
Me not drink.
Bag juice pan base.
Me not drink bag juice from base.
Base.
Base. Beers.
Yes. So sing it together now. Man no drink bag juice pan base.
Me no drink
Bag juice.
Me no drink bag juice from beers. Alright. I don't care. Or I'm not involved.
Me no business.
Me no business.
Yeah, like that ain't my business, so.
Like if somebody doing something crazy, you be like, and like us, we be like, that ain't none of my business. My name been in it, I ain't in it. You feel me? But y'all just be like, me no business.
Me no business.
Me no business. She a breed, me no business. Okay. Who party?
So you know how to say
Who poop in here? Who poop?
Yeah, but if me and you right here and we smell something and we don't know who did it, we just go like this. Dip. Ooh, poop. Electric poop. Rotten bells. That's our way to find out which one of us did it.
How do you finish it? Who?
Ooh, poop. Electric poop. Rotten belly. Stinking poop. Oh, dang. It's me. It's me.
Electric belly?
Dip. Say dip.
Dip. It's called dip.
That's how you started. Dip.
Dip.
Ooh. Where you want to start with me? Ooh, poop. Electric poop. Rotten belly. Stinking poop. Olivia, you poop in here.
Who poop?
Electric poop. Rotten belly. Stinking poop.
Rotten.
See, I forget up spit for that.
I didn't that time. Sometimes it don't work. Oh my god. You gotta move your uvula. Can you see it?
No, man, I forget up some spit for that.
Yeah.
That's how I sound.
You just be talking. You gotta say something. You gotta say a lot
I
of stuff.
forget up some spit for that.
Say a lot of stuff in patois. Like just have a normal conversation about your day. How was your day?
I did it alright, you know, and then me go lunch, and then me come back and then me eat some. What me did eat for lunch? Me did eat some shrimp, but the shrimp they have no seasoning, you know. And then me just put a black pepper and some salt on it.